Every app, website, and game you use was built by software developers, the architects of our digital world. They write the code that powers our devices, making technology work seamlessly in our lives. Their work is everywhere, often invisible, but always essential. When you order food, stream a movie, or connect with friends, developers made it possible. They solve problems, create tools, and drive innovation across every industry. Developers turn ideas into reality, transforming what if into the apps and platforms we rely on. Their impact is massive, shaping how we live, work, and connect. As technology evolves, the demand for skilled developers only grows. They're building smart homes, autonomous vehicles, and the systems that run our world. Being a developer isn't just a job, it's a chance to shape the future. It's a creative, technical, and powerful role. Understanding what developers do is the first step to seeing how you can make your mark. The digital world needs builders. Will you be one of them? So, how do you become a developer? There's no single path, and that's the beauty of it. The traditional route is a computer science degree, giving you a strong foundation in theory and problem solving. But it's not the only way. Coding boot camps offer an accelerated, hands-on approach, focusing on real-world skills and building a project portfolio. Or you can teach yourself using free resources like Free Code Camp, the Odin Project, or YouTube. The self-taught path is flexible but requires discipline and structure. No matter your path, one thing is essential: build projects. Start small, make a calculator, clone a website, or contribute to open source. Practical experience is where real learning happens. Your projects become your resume, showing employers what you can do. Set goals, stay consistent, and keep building. The journey is challenging, but every step brings you closer. Anyone can start. What matters is persistence. Your future as a developer begins with your first line of code. To succeed as a developer, you need the right skills, both technical and personal. Start with a programming language. Python, JavaScript, or C++ are great choices. Learn object-oriented programming, data structures, and algorithms for efficient problem solving. Master version control with Git and platforms like GitHub to collaborate and track your work. Understand databases, SQL for relational, NoSQL for flexible data storage. But it's not just about code. Problem solving is at the heart of development, breaking big challenges into manageable steps. Communication matters, explain ideas clearly, and work well with others. Adaptability is key. The tech world changes fast, so keep learning. Manage your time and prioritize tasks to deliver quality work on schedule. Soft skills set great developers apart. Build your toolkit, stay curious, and never stop improving. That's how you thrive in tech. Software development is a vast field with endless possibilities. Web development is everywhere. Front-end developers craft user interfaces, back-end developers power the logic behind the scenes, and full-stack developers do both. Mobile developers create apps for iOS and Android, shaping how we use our phones. Desktop developers build software for computers, think Photoshop or code editors. Game developers blend code with creativity to build immersive worlds. Embedded systems developers write software for devices like cars, appliances, and smart home tech. Cloud computing and DevOps specialists manage the infrastructure that keeps the internet running. Data science and API development focus on big data and connecting systems. Each path uses different tools and skills, but all start with curiosity and a willingness to learn. Explore, experiment, and find what excites you. The field is always evolving. There's a place for every passion in software development. The future is yours to build.